Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the PineTales Organic Buckwheat Neck Pillow. You can get this product for about $40. Check out the link in the description. The pillow is filled with 100% organic buckwheat hulls. If the pillow is too high and too hard, you can remove some of the buckwheat hulls. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a good quality pillow. The pillow comes with a soft designer bamboo pillowcase, which is machine washable. I tested the pillow for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's very comfortable for my neck and the pillowcase was easy to wash. So if you are looking for a comfortable and long-lasting neck pillow, I would recommend the PineTales Organic Buckwheat Neck Pillow. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.